Welcome to the ThinkCell tutorials. This video guides you through the installation of your personal copy of ThinkCell and shows how updates are received. ThinkCell is a Microsoft Office add-in and runs on both Windows and Mac. On the PC, ThinkCell requires Windows 7 or higher and Office 2010 or higher, with at least PowerPoint and Excel installed. On the Mac, El Capitan 10.11 and all later macOS versions are supported together with Office 2016 for Mac or higher. To activate ThinkCell, you will need a valid license key, which comes in this format. If you don't have a license key yet, you can visit our website at think-cell.com to request a free trial or to order a license key. To download the latest version of ThinkCell, click on Download, Existing Customer, submit your email address, and follow the link in the email you receive. The link will lead you to the ThinkCell customer portal, where you can choose between the Windows or the Mac OS version. When you click the download button, the ThinkCell setup file is downloaded to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file will be saved to the default download folder or to a location of your choice. Please refer to your browser's help section if you are not sure where your browser saves files. Before installing ThinkCell, make sure that PowerPoint and Excel are completely closed. You do not need administrator rights to install ThinkCell. Start the installation by double-clicking the downloaded setup file. You may see a Windows security warning pop up by default when installing files from the internet. Click Run to start the installation. The setup wizard opens and asks for the installation path. We recommend using the default path suggested by the wizard. If you are satisfied with the installation path, click Install. After the setup wizard has copied the required files, click the Finish button to open PowerPoint and start ThinkCell. A license key dialog pops up. Enter or copy-paste your valid license key from the email you received. Accept the terms and conditions, and click OK. Now you can begin working with ThinkCell. The ThinkCell ribbon group is located in the Insert tab of the PowerPoint ribbon. Please refer to our Getting Started video as a quick introduction to working with ThinkCell. You don't have to worry about updates, as ThinkCell takes care of itself and regularly checks online to see if a new release is available. If so, it will download and install the new release without interfering with your work. You won't even notice the automatic update in your workflow. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please check out our website for more ThinkCell tutorials.